There was a breach at the Dulce facility by a scientific contingent who had discovered that Greys who are there at the facility...
Alien Greys.
Well, not alien Greys. This is one of the big misconceptions. These are not aliens. These are Greys that were created by some other group here on Earth.
Okay.
Yeah. So these Greys essentially have been there for over 25,000 years. These Greys were conducting some type of, human abductions, and the scientific contingent had discovered that. They breached the level of this facility that they were not supposed to, and it set off an engagement between the Greys and the military there in the facility. A lot of people ended up dying. 22 people were unaccounted for.
Jeez.
And yeah, and there's a lot of mythology around this whole event. There's a lot of different versions of this story coming from a lot of different people. Now, this is what I find interesting. Is that the Colonel's story cross-correlates with various bits and pieces of data from other people that have emerged over the years with respect to Dulce.
Okay, now, let's go back to these Greys. You say they're not extraterrestrial, that they were created on this planet, probably genetically, right? I mean, were they living life forms, or were they like robots?
They've been described as cybernetic organisms, right?
Or maybe a combination.
Or a combination. I think more of a combination. What happened was...
And who created them, Anthony?
That's